Hello, this is Mr. Clark. I'm here to help you check out Lexile.com and how to find the Flesch Kincaid score for an article that you want to use in your class. I'm currently using Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free tool that you can use. It's web-based and you can record your lessons for your class. And you can actually just post that lesson as a YouTube video to wherever you like to post your information. I choose Edmodo. If you'd like to know more about Edmodo, let me know. But let's find the article that you want to use in your class. I would like to use this one to help talk about design and the engineering design process. And I'm going to take this article, I'm going to copy and paste it into Word. And then that way I can get rid of all of the ads and all the pictures because I just need the words itself so I can find the scores. In Word, to find the Flesch Kincaid score, you're going to go to File, Options, Proofing, and you want to make sure these boxes are checked, especially this last one right here, the Show Readability Statistics. Once you have that checked, make sure you hit OK. You're then going to want to spell check everything. So you go to the Review tab, or if you know a shortcut, you can use a shortcut. And then you can press Spelling and Grammar. Once you do that, it's going to spell check everything. Go ahead and make sure everything's spelled correctly. So I'm going to change this they that has too many Y's, and this window will then pop up with the readability statistics. And at the very bottom of this, it has Flesch Kincaid reading ease and the grade level, and you can hit OK when you have that. I'm going to use this again by pressing Control A and Control C. It's now copied and ready to be pasted somewhere. I'm going to go to Lexile. The way I'm going to get there is going to go to Google and search Lexile, and the first one that pops up, this is the one that I want to sign up for. So when you get here, you want to register your account. Very easy, first name, last name, etc. Once you have been signed up for it, it will look something like this in your dashboard. You just go up here to the Lexile icon, you can click that, and it takes you back to their main page. This has a lot of different resources on it, but the one we're going to use is for educators. So it's right here on the right hand side for educators. We're going to analyze some text. So I'm going to access the Lexile Analyzer. And we have some different options here for us. So we can check our Lexile score. For right here, I want to go to access the Lexile Analyzer. So I'm going to click Sign In. And I want the free one, so I'm going to go to Free Lexile Analyzer. And here I can just paste that text that I already have copied from over here, right here. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to click Analyze. Once you click Analyze, it gives you your results right here. You can go ahead and find how to analyze those results by going to Educators and Measuring Growth and clicking on that. Here we go. The Lexile Measures and Grade Equivalents. And there you go. It gives you the breakdown of your Lexile score and what grade level it equates to. I thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, just shoot me a tweet or an email. This is Mr. Clark. Thanks.